What's up, Wolves? I have a new indoor throwing activity for you to practice today at home. This is called the Sockball Overhand Throwing Fitness Challenge, okay? You are going to be working on your overhand throwing skills, improving your accuracy, as well as a couple different fitness and locomotor skills in between throws, all right? So, before I explain the game, a couple of materials you will need. First and foremost, a sock ball, all right? Roll up a sock ball, try to get it into the best shape possible. Then, you are going to need 3 items on the floor that are skinny. I would suggest you using 3 towels, rolling them up, and then making them into this shape or formation. I have pool noodles that are cut up that we use for tag games, okay? So, I'm sure you don't have cut up pool noodles at home. If you roll up some towels, make them skinny, and set them up like this, you will be all set, okay? Then I have a chair, all right, with a target on it. Now, I just cut a piece of paper in half and drew a target on there. I would suggest you take a paper plate at home if you have one of those, and maybe filling it out with red marker or red crayon, and then you can tape it onto the back of onto a chair. That would be a perfect size target for you. Okay? So the distances work like this. From the chair to the first noodle or first towel you will probably be using is 2 feet. Then from the first or the end of the first towel or noodle, I have another space of 2 feet. Then from the green noodle to the orange noodle is 3 feet. Okay? So you will need to set it up in this formation so that I would like, if you are in grades kindergarten, 1st or 2nd, I want you throwing from at least 6 feet away. If you're in grades 3, 4, or 5, move it back a little bit more, like maybe 10 feet. Okay, that's where I am about right now. All right, here is how the game will work. You are going to start from behind your top line. You are then going to throw the ball, TL, step and throw, and then you are going to go retrieve the ball. So if I hit that target, I'll give myself a point. You must get to the first towel or first item, and you must do a ski jump. Then you are going to go to the second item and step with 1 foot and leap onto the other one over the far target or far landmark. Okay? Leap. Then you want to turn, flip your hips around. All right? Make sure that you got the ball behind you. And you're stepping with the correct stepping with the correct foot. If you miss, it's okay. Just go, get the ball, pick it up, ski jump, leap, turn around, and get ready to go. Okay? So I want you to practice this for a little bit, get the hang of it, okay? It's not as easy as it looks, all right? Then you can set a timer and try to see what your high score is, all right? Let's see how I do and see if you can beat me. All right, here we go. Remember, T, L, step with your opposite foot and throw. All right, so I just hit the top of that. I got 1 point. 1 foot to the other. So, 4 points is my total. I would probably hit reset and try that again because I think I do a better job next time. Just make sure you focus on your accuracy. It's not how hard you can throw, just how well you can finish following through. All right, I'm out of breath. It's a good little workout. Let's see if you can beat me. I'm sure you can. Enjoy.